Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video from Climber, and my name is SIDGIG. Today's topic is actually a very interesting one because I believe that a lot of you must be in this category or will be in this category, and I titled today's topic, can freelancers make a lot of money in freelancing? And when I'm talking about a lot of money, I'm talking about, can freelancing make you very rich, make you dollars? Because over the past few weeks, I've been able to engage with hundreds of freelancers across Facebook, and I've seen that a lot of them struggle. So if you fall into this category, have you asked yourself, this freelancing that I'm doing, can I ever blow with it? Can I become successful? Can I make money from it? The simple answer is yes. Freelancing can make you very rich. Freelancing can buy you your first car. Freelancing can buy you your house, and I have seen people that are built house via freelancing. Freelancing can even help you to go and marry your wife, and you're able to like set up a very successful wedding. So freelancing can make you rich. But the problem is how. You have a skill, and the question is, I want to freelance, but how can I make money? Like, I'm just seeing little pennies here and there. The purpose of this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps that would help you as a freelancer make a lot of money. These are the mistakes you've been making, and this is what you should do. The first thing you should do before you go into freelancing is that you have to pick a high demand skill. If you pick a skill that is not sellable or that is not in high demand, you will be on the losing side. So what you have to do is, first, before you think about freelancing or when you're considering freelancing, ask yourself, is this skill high demand? There are so many high demand skills. So how do you know high demand skills? Like, just go to Google. I always say this: go to Google, go to YouTube, go and search. Ask your friends. There are some of your friends that are actually really balling. You can take cue from them. Number 2, build a solid portfolio. How can you build a solid portfolio? Before you think about making a lot of money in freelance, and this is from my experience with people, many people want to get freelance jobs, but they don't have portfolio. A portfolio simply means a folder or like an archive, a place where you have your work all stored up. So if you don't have a solid portfolio, you might not be able to get to the point where you're making a lot of money from freelancing. And how can you build a solid portfolio? Do free work, or give yourself some tasks, some projects to do, and when you've done them, try to save it on a platform that is really relevant for whatever you're doing. There are platforms for designers, there are platforms for video editors, there are platforms for writers. You can figure it out. Number 3 is you need to learn the art of cold emailing or cold outreaching. As a freelancer, if you don't know how to cold email or cold outreach or cold DM, you will be broke. You will be very broke. Cold emailing just means you're reaching out to a stranger who doesn't know you exist, and then you're trying to get them to pay attention to you and selling a service to them. You can actually reach them via email. I've been able to do this where I reached out to strangers via email and I converted them, or via different platforms like LinkedIn. So learn the art of cold emailing. One of these days, I'm going to make a video on how to code email. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, on post notification, and then you would get to watch the video on how to code email. Very important. Number 4 is you have to be aggressive. If you are not an aggressive person, you will not make money from freelancing. See, there are so many freelancers out there. So if you don't know how to be aggressive, you don't know how to fight to get what you want, you will struggle as a freelancer. So learn aggressiveness. Aggressiveness means you tension more in Yoruba, you're putting a lot of pressure on this. You know how to put pressure. You want people to hire you. You want so many people to reach out to you. So learn the art of aggressiveness. Then lastly, to make money, to be able to buy a car, live the soft life as a freelancer, you have to be in a community of freelancers that are in your niche. Learn how to join communities. A lot of freelancers I have seen are on their own, independent. They are isolated from reality. They don't know what is going on. They don't have access to opportunities. So if you're like that, change. Look for communities to join. There are communities on Slack, there are communities on Discord, there are communities on Telegram. Join them, interact, see how they are going about these things, and relate with them. So back to my question, can you make money to live a soft life as a freelancer? Yes. I hope that these few points would actually help you structure your freelance journey, and in the next few weeks, few months, you will come back to this video and say, thank you Joel, thank you Climber for making this video. I have been able to purchase my first Tesla vehicle or whatever it is. Till the next time I make a video, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have comments too as well, and share this video with your friends. You want them to blow too as well, right? Share this video with them. See you another time. Keep working on yourself.